And guys, this is amazing. It tastes phenomenal. So much. My wife, look at her. She just had to quick take it all. Guys, it is amazing. No sugar added, nothing, just pure apples, and it tastes phenomenal. Oh my goodness, this is working amazing. So the pulp will come in here, juice in there. Wow, we're actually getting a decent amount. Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing. So today we're checking out this slow juicer. So let's open it up, show you guys what you get. Some accessories will be under the styrofoam, so make sure you check both sides of the styrofoam. Alright guys, so one thing I'm noticing right away that I absolutely love is the compactness of it. So some of the other ones I've reviewed go about this high and then they stick out really far and they're just really big, bulky. This one has a little weight to it, but nothing compared to some of the other ones. This one is pretty simple as well. You get your pulp and liquid cups, little spout, cleaning brush, manual. So basically, let's show you guys how this actually comes together so you know for future references and for cleaning. So this would go on like this, and inside here is a little filter you take out for cleaning, just like that. And then you can also pop this, take this out for cleaning as well. So, and then that goes back in first. So this goes in first, then the filter, then the little end here. So completed, it's going to look just like this. You'll have the little arrow pointing for the lock position, and that's it. You then place this directly inside here, push it in, and then you twist it to lock it. So it looks like you angle it this way, push it in, and then you twist to lock, and you'll hear a little click. This is for pushing your fruits, vegetables down inside, just like this. Now, as you guys can see, this one has a little smaller tunnel tube. Now, you place this on top, and this allows you to put, set fruit and then push it down in when you want. But it is a smaller tube, so just keep that in mind. So if you're cutting up fruits, vegetables, and other stuff, make sure you cut it smaller and then push it down in, and it will come out right down through here. Now, I forget, I believe your liquids will come out here and then the pulp will come out here. We'll obviously test this out, so we'll jump right to that. All right guys, here we go. So we're going to turn it on. Putting in some apples. Use their little tool here. Again, make sure you wash everything before using. Alright guys, now we just leave it alone for a little bit here. And check this out. Look how well this works. So this is the leftovers. And it's so dry. This thing maximizes the juice that you get. This was from 2 apples. So keep this in mind, this is only 2 apples. That's incredible. I would say this thing definitely works really well. Just amazing. This is definitely my most favorite juicer I've ever reviewed, and I've reviewed probably about 15 so far in my career. Amazing, guys.